Welcome back. Now we come to the second part of the video of worksheet 7. So the first question is answer very shortly. Question number 1, factorize this. So as you can see, this is in the form of a plus b plus c the whole square, a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. So first term given to us is x square, which can be written as a as x. Finding the root of all the terms which are written in square. So 9y square becomes 3y, 25z square becomes 5z, and substituting in this, as you can see, there are two terms which are negative, and in these two terms x is common variable, so we write negative sign to x. That's it. Okay, now factorize this. For factorizing this, one must know that 7 can be written as root 7 into root 7. Okay, now as you can see, a square does not have 1 as a coefficient, so we have to do 1 into 3 method. So just multiply 7 into minus 3 root 7. Root 7 into root 7 becomes 7, which we will separate it later. So minus 3 into 7 minus 21, 7 minus 3. Then we write this, because this sign is negative here for 21, so we write different sign. So the centered term is positive, so we write plus sign to the bigger number and minus sign to the smaller number. Just write this in the form of 7 minus 3, splitting the middle term. 7 can be written as root 7 into root 7, taking out common root 7a from the first two terms and negative sign and 3 from the next two terms. So we have this. Find the quotient and the remainder of this by dividing x minus y. So one must know the division method, which is clearly done here. So you can pause your video and check this, and can be done with synthetic method. So it can be done with both the methods. So in synthetic method, because you are already given that it is divisible by x minus y, so we make this as 5. X minus 5 is equals to 0, and then take 5 to the other side of equal to, it becomes 5. Then follow the synthetic method by 5. Then the term, this is the remainder, minus 25, and the term those are left are constant x and x square. It should be written in reverse order. It is 1x square minus 2x minus 4. Next, question number 14. Find the quotient when this 1 by x cube minus 1 by y cube is divided by 1 by x minus 1 by y. So we consider 1 by x as a, 1 by y as b. So a cube minus b cube, it becomes, the formula is a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. So this can be written dividing by a minus b both. So a minus b gets cancelled. After cancelling this, we are left with a square plus ab plus b square. Now substituting the value of x, a as 1 by x and b as 1 by y, we can solve this. The length and the breadth of the rectangle are given, clearly given. So we know that area of rectangle, length into breadth, just multiply, and rest is the answer. Find the volume of a cube if the side, so they are given with the side. If the side we need to find. Volume is given to you, we need to find the side. So what we do? We factorize this with the method of synthetic. After factorizing, we find the cube root of it, because it is a volume. Finding the cube root, it becomes x plus 3. 3x plus 3 we get. X minus, it is minus 3, it should be written as x plus 3. Minus 3 should be written as x plus 3, and this is already in x plus 3 form. So the cube root of this is x plus 3. Next, we come to factorize. So as you can see, 8x cube plus 343y cube minus 42xy plus 1. So these are not arranged. So we arranged as 8x cube should be written as 2x the whole cube. 343y cube should be written as 7y the whole cube. And 1 should be written as 1 cube. This is 3 into 2x into 7y. So this should be substituted in the formula as a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is equals to a plus b plus c, a square plus b square plus c square minus ab bc ca. So a is 2x, b is 7y, c is 1, as we have here. By comparison, we write these values. So this we substitute in the formula, that's it. Just multiply a into b. A into b, 7 2s are 14, xy. So the other terms. Square is already known to you. Fine. Now we come to the question number 18. There are only 3 questions left. Find the quotient and the remainder division of 2x minus 1. So we follow synthetic method because it is 2x minus 1. So we make it equal to 0. Minus 1 goes to that side of equal to becomes plus 1, and this becomes 2 to the other side of equal to becomes x equal to 1 by 2. Now by dividing with 1 by 2. So first in synthetic method we write 8 as it is. 8 into 1 by 2 becomes 4. So half of 8 is 4. Then minus 6 plus 4 is minus 2. Then half of minus 2 is minus 1. Minus 15 minus 1 becomes minus 16. Half of it is minus 8. So it was quite easy to calculate. There was no fraction number. And this becomes minus 1. So remainder is minus 1 and the quotient is in this order. Constant x square. So 8x square minus 2x plus minus 16. Now we come to the question number 19. If the quotient on dividing x power 4 this and this, then find a and b and the remainder. So again, when it comes to division, I prefer to follow synthetic method. Now because already x plus 2 is given to you, so x plus 2 is equals to minus 2, as you can see this calculation. Then we follow synthetic method and we get the quotient and the remainder. So as we get quotient and the remainder, so remainder is left over, it is required, but for finding the value of a and b, whatever the quotient we get, that is 16 minus 17, 4 and 1, we write it in the form of x cube, 4x square minus 17x plus 16. So you can write a as, because the signs are different, so we write a as minus 4. Because again the signs are different, we write b as minus 17. If the sign are same, we write positive. Okay. Find the zeros of the polynomial. This is the best method to follow synthetic. Finding the cube root. Okay. So what we do here is we find the zeros of this polynomial by trial and error method. So these values, anybody can ask how should we take 3 and 4. This value can be taken as 0, plus or minus 1, plus or minus 2. You can try with starting these values. So as you can see, I have already tried it and I got plus 3 and the remainder should be 0. For the factor of this, the remainder should be 0. So 1 is written as it is, 1 3s are 3, 5 minus 2. By 5 minus 2 it becomes minus 6, minus 8 into 3 minus 24, it becomes 0. Next we write 1 as it is, then we try with 4, then 4 1s are 4, plus 2, 4 2s are 8, this factors. Because those people who find variables difficult can factorize by synthetic method. This is the best method because it deals only with number and mere calculation. You have to perfect your addition and multiplication while doing this. Thank you.